that again.
Indiana, all inbreds, 100%.
Where were you born?
I was born in Peru, Indiana.
Does that make you inbred?
Yep, sure does.
Sweet home Indiana.
It's still the nicest thing here.
You like that tractor?
Yes, sir. Clean tractor.
Cody, 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 Cody.
Thank you everyone for showing up. I expected like 20 people.
This is 20.
I don't know if I have enough cash. Thank you guys for showing up so much. I did not expect this. It blows my freaking mind. Hell yeah, what is up, bro? How's it going? Why were you guys so organized? Like, that was impressive.
More humid now than it was before. Yeah, I shouldn't have worn the hoodie.
Caden, up here. Get him up here. Caden.
Bring the rock up.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
So what I have right here on the front of this trailer is 50,000 flyers, basically saying what's on the side of that semi. They say a little bit more, but what I want to do is I brought a bunch of cash for everyone who's going to hand out flyers. If you want, if you don't have to, but you're going to get cash. Now, I underestimated the amount of people that was going to show up, so we have $10,000 that I want to give out to the people who are handing out flyers today. Now, that's not 10,000 each, that's 10,000 total. So what we can do is either disperse that among everyone who wants to hand out flyers, or one person gets $10,000. I don't know what the crowd wants, but
One person.
maybe one person? Really? Yeah. No? Well, but hey, look, how many people are here though? So, should we give one family in need $10,000? Or something like that. You know? I feel like that's a little more exciting than like $20 a person. I should have brought way more. I think what we'll do here, let's get up here and open these flyers. Go ahead, rip them open. Rip those bad boys apart. Hey, I want these to end up in good places though. I don't want to see flyers just ending up all over the road. Okay, we're going to start giving out cash. Everybody gets cash. Most people. It's like 400 flyers. So like, I was really good friends.
You gonna do good? Hold on.
You better hope it flies.
Where are you throwing it?
I don't know, that way.
Alright, go.
Oh, damn.
Alright.
That's all the flyers on it.
Alright, go.
Oh!
I have a lot too.
What are you gonna do in school?
Put these all over the principal's office. I'll get expelled for this.
You're gonna get expelled?
Yeah, probably. Can I get a Hoya?
How are you gonna throw an airplane and not yell yeet?
I don't know.
You gotta yeet that thing, man.
Yeet!
Oh, you got right in the face.
You saw some Karens?
What? Oh, yeah, there's Karens. Like, there's 500 of them over there, bro. I think they're going to come crash this shit.
What's your message to all the Karens?
Fuck the Karens.
Yeah, fuck off.
Yeah, let us have our fun. Let us destroy our shit.
Fuck off, Karen.
They didn't buy the shit. We bought the shit. We get to destroy the shit.
I am the manager, Karen. I am the manager.
Say that again. Say that again.
Indiana, all inbreds, 100%. Fucking born and raised. It's something.
Where were you born?
I was born in Peru, Indiana. Currently live south of Wabash.
Does that make you inbred?
Yep, sure does.
Sweet home Indiana.
That's why you have a mullet.
None of you are handing out flyers? I want to see him on telephone. Cody! Hey, Cody, I'll at you.
Look at that guy with that mullet. I know.
Look, there's some kid.
I'm funny.
The one with the calves name is Nick. Nick.
It's only $20. These kids are freaking out over $20. Push them off. Do I hope that kid falls off? Yeah, he's leaving. Dude, kids were just freaking out over $20.
Yeah, $20, get a job.
Yeah.
All I want is a picture.
Yeah. Once you're right there with him, get in the back of the line, somebody else see him, you know?
What do you think about the kids that ran on top of the semi?
No, stupid. That's retarded.
Yeah.
Stupidest thing ever.
It's somebody else's property. Yeah.
I would have laughed if they fell.
Huh?
Yeah, if they fell, it'd have been funny.
Yeah.
Made a good show.
Yeah, I can't believe people were throwing planes.
Yeah, and the thing is making the plane. Yeet! Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Go.
Ready? Go. Put your head in. Send it.
Send it!
Pussy! Pussy!
Hey, let me see your tongue. Let me see. Ah, dude, I wasn't recording.
Ready?
That's black. That's black.
That's black!
What's your shout out?
Fucking wide on Instagram.
You're gonna have to show me. I don't believe that. This man wasn't lying. How was that?
That was fucking hot. It just feels like razor went on my whole face. I can't. Fucking eyes are all blurry.
That smell good?
Go big or go home. That smells amazing.
Do you smoke?
No.
What do you do now? Alright, so what do you think of all these idiots out here?
It's all fun and games, so somebody ruins it for everybody else.
You watch Whistlindiesel?
I never heard of it until this week.
How fast have you had this thing?
Pursuit. Top out.
You topped it?
Oh yeah.
How fast was that?
134.
How did that feel?
I'll say I'm not a Ford person. I grew up with Chevys, but I don't know. These hold up pretty good.
He's hating. You have any words for the idiots out here?
Don't be idiots.
Don't be an idiot.
Hang out all night if you want.
That's all it comes down to. Just don't be stupid. That's all it comes down to. Hey! Are you static? You're static. You're not on bags?
No.
How much you scrape?
A lot. My intercooler piping is flattened on the bottom.
Hey, that's the way to do it.
Hell yeah.
All right, sounded good, man. Where are you passing those out at?
At my school.
Your school?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna do well?
Yeah.
Hey, put one in the back of the cop car. Nothing to see here.
You're still pulling me out.
I didn't see nothing.
Yeah.
You see something? I didn't see anything.
That's been there.
How far did you drive?
8 hours.
Where are you from?
Beverly, West Virginia.
You sound country as hell.
He's from the sticks. He
West
lives in a shed.
Virginia.
You drink Mountain Dew?
Not much. I don't drink much soda at all, to tell you the truth.
What kind of beer you like?
He's on drugs.
I've been on Natty Light here lately because I'm
Natty
poor as
Light?
piss, yeah. I'm poor as piss. Yeah, we came here because they heard there was money, but wasn't enough.
Dang. You guys are stuck here.
Yeah, we're stuck right here.
What are you gonna drink now?
Nothing. We don't have no money. Nothing until I can find a job. Then I'm gonna go get me a natty pack.
You gotta drink, man.
I know it.
Be careful, cops might come get you.
You sound country as hell too.
Thank you.
Oh, God. Hey, you want to take walk your ass back with that cart right now? All right. Now you got to walk it all the way back up there to the store.
Oh, it was in the parking lot.
No, you better walk back up to the store.
All right.
Probably a good idea. I'm gonna walk in here and watch it, make sure it gets all the way. Otherwise, I'm gonna write you for stealing.
So long, gay boys.